Hey yo, what is good, YouTube? What's good, what's good? Listen. So, new packaging today. Definitely a little sponsorship video. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Let's just start off with that. It's a sponsorship video today of me doing a unboxing for a chainsaw, a portable chainsaw, bro. Whoever thought I'd get a portable chainsaw? Anyways, listen, I did open this box, so I'm not gonna sit here and cap. I opened this one, but I didn't obviously like do the rest. But anyways, there's a brand out there. They have portable chainsaws. We're gonna get more into that whenever I unbox the video. And yeah, we about to go straight into it. So without further ado, came with some nice wrapping paper. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm here. Oh, shot a basketball hoop. I'm here for it. Anyways, this is what it looks like whenever you open it. So, do I have it the right way? Yeah, I got it the right way. So it's a mini electric chainsaw and it's portable, yo. And you can just hold it in your hand. Like literally, that's crazy, you know, because when you think of a chainsaw, you think of them real big, gigantic chainsaws that you gotta like use to like chop down, but it's a mini portable chainsaw. Basically, I'm gonna do like a little unboxing, and then at some point today, after I charge it or whatever, because I think, yeah, you have to charge the battery for the chainsaw, and then at some point I'll go outside and then like just try to chop some things down, I guess. I got some trees. Actually, there was like a project, we were like cutting down some trees behind the house. I'm actually seeing behind the house, so I guess it all makes sense right now. That's why I keep looking out there. But there's like, we were taking these trees and cutting these trees down with one of them, they're like scissors, like them real big scissors, and we ended up getting it all down. But then there's like some like thicker ones that we just could not cut with them scissors, me and my girl. And yeah, so this actually came in at the right time, so I'm gonna give my honest review about it and we're gonna go from there. But yeah, so Tomyvic, or Tommy, I think it's Tomyvic or something, mini electric chainsaw. It's a 6-inch chainsaw. Without further ado, let's just open it up. I don't want to like this it just looks so neat. How do I like, let's see. Damn, I'm messing it up, bro. I don't want to. Can I just slide it out? Oh, I could have just slid it out, bro. I just. It comes to the moment of truth. Is it already put together, or do I gotta put it together? Please don't tell me I gotta put it together. I don't know how to put a chainsaw together, bro. Woo! Look at that. It comes with a perfect kit too. You got the gloves to do the work, but I got big hands, so these gloves, let's see if these gloves are like, you know, a perfect, they're a little stretchy. So we're good. We're good in that sense. These actually fit pretty good. They could be a little bit bigger, but you have your screwdriver for it, some tools. I got some glasses, you know, got the glasses for it. I'll put that right there. Let's see what we're looking like. Yo, I'm ready to go, bro. Like, you just gave me a whole new career in a box. I just got a whole new career in a box. I'm no longer working for what I just did before. Now I'm actually becoming, yeah, I got this. Maybe to lube it up a little bit. I got that to lube it up. This is the chainsaw. This is an extra chainsaw because it already has one on there. So I got an extra chainsaw as well that comes with it to put it on. So that's perfect. 2 lithium batteries. Okay, so we got 2 batteries. Yo, this is like, there's nothing better. There's nothing better than this, bro. You got like everything you need, and they give you extra to make sure, like, you know, if you're trying to get a task done, it comes with the charger. You could charge one, and while you're using the one, you know, do your job. While you're doing your job, charge the other one. So it's like you just got that extra battery in there. Now the one thing is, I don't really know the price of this, so I'm gonna have to. And then obviously you got the battery looks like this, and it just slides onto the actual. Yeah, it just slides onto the bottom like that. I ain't gonna do too much right now because, you know. But I just want to kind of give you guys like what it looks like. So it's like this right here. Basically. Stop playing with me, bro. I'll come Jason X real quick on you. I will become Jason X real quick on you. Stop playing with me, bro. Man, what if somebody try to break? Actually, this is not what this is about. I was about to say, what if somebody try to break into the house? I'm like, and I start coming running downstairs like, get out my house. Bro, this is perfect for that. Honestly, this is not about that. I'm sorry. Do not buy this in that purpose. This is only meant to cut wood, trees, I wouldn't really say big trees. I don't really know if like this small of a chain can cut big trees, but I'm sure for like smaller tasks, this is perfect for you. So anyways, with that being said, yeah, it looks like we got everything we need. It looks like it comes with everything it needs. Obviously, this right here is the tightness if you got to take the chainsaw off or take the chain off itself, and then like, okay, so you can lock it. This button right here, you click this black button. So you hold this in whenever you're trying to turn it on, and then whenever you like, it locks. Like without clicking that black button, it won't go. So smart, you know, don't click the back. Yeah, don't click it. Anyways, this right here, if you want to change the chainsaw, I'm guessing this right here, you just unscrew this, put the other chainsaw on. Very simple. That's definitely very simple. And this is just what the box looks like right there. So anyway, yeah, this ain't bad, bro. This ain't bad. Yeah, anyways, this is the little unboxing for it. I'm gonna try to figure out like the price of it, and I'm gonna have a link down in the description below to where you guys could go get the product as well. Exactly what I got, you guys can go pick up the product. I think it's through Amazon. I'm not 100% sure, but I will make sure like the link is down below. We're gonna do like some, you know, cutting down on some stuff. Not really cutting down, but there's some stuff that I'm going to take you outside for, just to kind of show what it looks like and how like effective it works, how good it works, and how easy it may be or may not be. And we'll just go from there. But everything looks pretty simple when you get it. It already pretty much comes together. I'm gonna charge this while I'm over at the furniture store. I'm gonna come back. Yeah, y'all get the point, right? So I'm gonna grab. Back here and pop it. Look perfect, yo. Perfect. First things first, you gotta make sure you use protection, okay? Okay. We're gonna see how good this little mini thing actually. Oh, that hurt. Okay. You can come close to it. You don't gotta be like. I'll have to do it this way.
Ooh, sun is blinding me.
Oh, okay. I think
that just fell off. Does it look good?
Damn, man, it does like clean cuts with it too. Look at that, y'all. Already watch.
Okay.
Actually cuts pretty good. All right, now we got that. So you can see that a log like this big, it actually cuts really good. I don't really have like the setup for cutting. Oh, damn, okay. And last but not least, I just want to cut where we were talking about in the back of the house. This is the car, nice car. Hard working man. All right, no, I just want to cut that. So that's where we cut the we were cutting all that here, y'all. We ended up cutting all of them down right there. This is what I couldn't cut with them scissors, this and that. So if this can cut that, I'm perfectly happy. Success.
All right, well, let's see.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Ooh, easy.
Okay.
This bad boy. Ready? Man, that cuts it down so nice.
Gone.
Just chop this down. Well, I'm loving this. I'm gonna have fun, y'all.
Go chainsaw happy.
Oh yeah.
It's like cutting right through it.
It cuts so quick too. that's nice. I would definitely say, oh yeah, so I ended up looking, and the chainsaw is on Amazon. The link's down in the description. The chainsaw is on Amazon. It's only, what is it, $70?
Yeah.
$70, and you get the mini chainsaw. 70 bucks. The whole kit that you see me unbox is like $70. And then if you got Prime, you get 45% coupon off. So you're better off using it. You're better off going in the link right now and buying this. But no, this thing is nice. What should I cut next?
Not me.
No, bro, that's nice. Let's not get on that. You really don't think I should cut that?
No, I like that tree over there. Now you're just trying to cut anything.
Go get you one. Go get y'all one. Go get one, yo. They're nice. That's quick. I think I'm gonna just.
You gonna leave your little project there?
Yeah, I'm just leave that there. I'm just leave that there. No, for real, go get one, yo. I'm telling you, this thing cuts quick, nice. I'm gonna have to do a bigger task with it like someday soon to see how much it actually cuts, but that definitely cuts nice.
Even comes with them little gloves.
Huh?
Comes with them gloves.
Yeah, the whole kit, the gloves. Dang, I just want to cut. I'm gonna do this for a living now. I wonder. I should post on Facebook and be like, I cut trees. If anybody needs some, you know, some work done.
Trees, baby. No.
All right, y'all, go get it. Link in bio. Because it's a good product. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Nice product. It's like only good